Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be short but important. We're going to talk about expressions hay que and toca. These expressions means like to have to, but as a generalizations, which means no specific person has to do it, but it has to be done by somebody or anybody. So hay que and toca are expressions that you're going to hear a lot, especially if you hear conversations from maybe when you go to the garage, if you take your car to the garage or to fix your bike, the person who has to fix the bike or the car is going to tell you all the things that have to be done, and you're going to hear this a lot. Hay que hacer, hay que cambiar, toca arreglar. So these expressions are really important. So, yeah, everybody has to, or nobody has to do it. It's an impersonal expression, it's a generalization. And yeah, let's have a look at them. So, the first one is hay que, easy, right? And then verb and infinitive. Couldn't be easier. Hay que trabajar para comer. So, like, this is kind of people have to work to eat. Why do I put people? Because it's like everybody, right? Hay que trabajar para comer. Yeah. Another one would be no hay que decir mentiras. Like people don't have to lie. Yeah. It's like another way to say like yeah, like people don't have to lie. Like there's no need. Verb in infinitive. That's it. Trabajar. Hay que trabajar. No hay que decir. Easy. Second expressions. Toca. It works exactly as hay que. Is a generalization of to have to. And then again, verb in infinitive. Toca revisar los frenos de la bicicleta. Again, we were talking about people fixing bikes. Here you are. Toca revisar. Revisar is like to check. You know, los frenos de la bicicleta. Los frenos are the brakes de la bicicleta, the bikes, like of the bike, the brakes of the bike. So, like, this has to be done. Like, somebody has to check the brakes of the bicycle. Yeah. And it's not somebody, it's like just, it has to be done. Yeah. No toca volver a hacer lo mismo. Like, it doesn't have to, like, nobody has to do the same thing again. Volver a hacer algo is to do something again. Volver a. So, no toca volver a hacer lo mismo. Do the same thing. So nobody has to do the same thing again. Yeah. So yeah, I could, if I was a boss of a group of people, I could use this a lot. Toca limpiar la mesa. Toca barrer el suelo. Toca pagar la electricidad. Hay que hacer la comida. Hay que invitar a la familia. So, these are all things that have to be done, but I'm not saying exactly who has to do it. It's just things that have to be done, and that's it. How to practice this? Again, just easy. Just tell people what things have to be done. So first, do your quiz, the flashcards. Yeah, do your notes and writing. Even though this is pretty easy for your level already. Yeah. So just tell a friend, not friend, tell a friend all the things that have to be done. So like that the country has more prosperity and a better quality of life. So, like for example, if you are in Argentina and you want to give your opinion about the country, what do you think it has to be done for the country to improve? So you can tell the person, uh, hay que mejorar esto, hay que hacer esto, hay que implementar esto, like toca invertir, right? So you can give all these possible opinions by saying like this has to be done, this has to be done, this has to be done. Yeah. have fun. You can already give your opinion of things that have to be done in the government or political environment. This is awesome. Gracias y nos vemos en la próxima clase, video clase. Bye bye. Thanks.